Hi, welcome back to the VK Online Education Training course. The theme of this lesson is monitoring events. We'll introduce you to bypass monitoring event. The feature of bypass function is to store the value we get from feedback message, and then store it in a variable. Then, we can use this variable to display its content on text labels, or be synchronized with other VK components. Let's create a variable for this example. Here, I create a variable that we've used before on earlier lesson. We named it volume. And then we set it range between 0 to 255. And then, I set this variable and the text label to be synchronized. The purpose is to pass the feedback message to this text label and display its current value on this text label. We choose this variable volume here. Then we press OK to proceed. Next, let's build a bypass monitoring event. We choose bypass as the monitoring event function. We'll use test as the variable name, and keep the default query frequency, which is half a second. We choose listen to port monitoring function for this example, and then select Hercules as the device. Please note that bypass only supports numbers. So, it can only support decimal and hexadecimal. Next, we type the volume command here. We want to capture the feedback after we send this command. Click Apply to proceed. Here, we make sure it will only capture the numbers. Click OK to continue. Now, we use setVariable command to store this feedback message. We choose volume variable here. And then, we need to click the small icon and choose bypass value. It means that the value captured by this monitoring event will be stored into this variable. This completes the setting for this example. The volume value will be synchronized on this text label. We use Hercules to test this example. We send a value that can be captured by the VK. We send 100 value to the VK. As you can see, VK captured this message correctly and show it on the text. This variable will synchronize this value on this text label. We try again. Now, the applied value is 255. This is all the content of this unit. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.